I've been here with Night over 20 years. When I first started, I started doing dry van. I came over to containers and I was lost and I was scared. But it takes you about a week, maybe 2 weeks at the most, just to get used to it, to know what you're doing at the ports. But once you get that down, it's simple. It's more of a fast pace. You keep moving. As long as you got hours, you're dropping and hooking. They should join night ports. If they feel being out on the road is taking its toll, you run less than 400 miles one way and you could be home. Emergency comes, you're close by where you could be home. And if not, then just stay out, do your miles, and be home on the weekend. Night, the most you'll have a truck is tops 3 years, if that. You're always gonna have good equipment, new equipment. Good equipment keeps you running, makes a driver happy. There's a lot of drivers that complain about, oh, my dispatcher this, my dispatcher that, but have you talked to your dispatcher? Have you let them know what you wanna do? How far you wanna run? Maybe they fear that if they're gonna go up to them, they're just gonna shut them down. But here at night, that's the reason why I have never left. It is hard, but when you have a company that's behind you, anywhere from, starting off with dispatchers, terminal managers, VPs, they treat you like family, they hear you out. We got each other's back, just like drivers, they take care of moving the freight, but you also have the support of a dispatcher, to keep you moving. But there has to be communication. There has to be a relationship between you and him. And if you do that, everybody's happy. You make your money, company makes their money, and we keep America moving, right? To me, it's the best company to work for, to be honest with you. Not because I work here, but obviously my years here speaks for itself. I could have left a long time ago, but just the simple fact that, Knight's always kept that mentality of family. Yes, they gotten bigger with the years, but they still kept that mentality. Open door policy, good communication, family. That's how they care.